SCCA Oregon events 10 and 11 in Packwood, Washington, the last event in Packwood of the summer. Friday, drove up, smoke wasn't too bad, everything was looking good. Pretty stoked for the weekend. Saturday morning, first in line for coffee, ready to go. Got there, everything looked good. Not too worried about rain. Got a nice course walk. There was discussion of rain, but that was supposed to come later in the day. I managed to get run 1 in, dry, didn't record it, but then came the rain. Turns out run 1 was going to be the best time, because once run 2 came along, there was no more traction. So I ended up doing test and tune later that afternoon. Did 3 runs to see what I could do in dry conditions. I was very happy with my best time on the 3rd run. Go. Sunday, the conditions were great for everybody. I had 2nd session and really pushed myself and was very happy with how I did. During Saturday's test and tune, I got to drive Leif's Elantra in. Super fun, super amazing car. I just don't know how to drive it.
It's different, but it's good. Oh, it's no Miata, that's for sure. Nice way to tuck the nose.
Whoa. We'll just
off the bat.
But did I miss a gate?
You did.
Yeah, that's right.
Here, right or wrong with Leif, he shows me how it's done. Pretty impressive.
Yeah, I missed this one here.
good. Like you're like